This 2021 Heartland Milestone 370 FLMB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Rock Springs, Wyoming, 82901 and is offered for sale by First Choice RVs. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 44 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 8, leveling jacks, refrigerator, microwave, TV, water heater, self-contained, slide-out, air conditioning, oven, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features bunk beds, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Heartland Milestone 370 FLMB is 12,520 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to First Choice RVs.